after the June 4th Twitter storm by students from Northeast demanding inclusion of a chapter from the region in NCERT syllabus. Arunachal Pradesh MLA Ninong Ering has written to Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal to include the history and culture of Northeast in NCERT curriculum besides putting it in the syllabus of all boards. Ering said this will dispel the sense of alienation towards the region. The issue has been hitting the headlines since the arrest of YouTuber Paras Singh, who hurled racial abuse on Ering and the people of Arunachal.
मैं दो चिट्ठी लिखे थे। एक हमारा अमित शाह जी है जो हमारे गृह मंत्री है, और हमारा पोखरियाल साहब जो हमारे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, जो हमारे शिक्षा विभाग को देखते हैं। तो क्योंकि एनसीईआरटी ने रीट्वीट किया, क्योंकि ये जो एक ट्विटर स्टॉर्म हमारे बच्चे ने शुरू की थी, उसमें उनका यही जवाब था कि हमने भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट पूर्वोत्तर राज्यों के कुछ कुछ किताबों में हम एक सप्लीमेंट्री रीड करके हमने दिए हैं। तो हम यही चाहते हैं कि ये वो एडिक्वेट उसमें जो मेंशन होना चाहिए। ये जो हमारे जितने भी यहाँ बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, वी हैव टू कैच देम अर्ली। तो जितने भी मेनली इंडिया के जो बच्चे हैं, अगर वो पूर्वोत्तर राज्यों के बारे में उनका जानकारी होगा, यहाँ के इतिहास में, भूगोल में, इसमें इसका सुंदरता में, इनका पर्यावरण के विषय में, इनके राज्यों के विषय में, इसका सुंदरता के विषय में अगर ये होगा, तो शायद बच्चों को वो जो मानसिकता उनका, जो हमको चिंकी कहते हैं या नेपाली कहते हैं, वो धीरे धीरे दूर हो जाएगा। पूर्वोत्तर राज्यों में अभी हमें सरकार है, वो सब बीजेपी के हैं। तो हम यही उम्मीद करेंगे कि हमारे भी जितने भी यहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री हैं, उन भी हमारे साथ आए। इसमें वो विपक्ष के या पक्ष के वाले बात नहीं आती है। इसमें सबको एकत्रित होके, क्योंकि ये एक मौका है कि हम अपना जो किताबों में, जो एनसीईआरटी की किताबों में हमारा कुछ पूर्वोत्तर राज्यों का मेंशन हो, यही हम चाहते हैं।
On the other hand, Tripura Chairman and Tripura Royal Scion Pradyut Debarman also demanded a chapter on Northeast in NCERT, stating that unless people know about the region, there will always be confusion. Debarman also said that states in the region should also take proactive steps to highlight each other's culture and history.
To have chapters on the Northeast in the NCERT. Because until the time people still keep on imagining that the Northeast is one isolated part of India, they will always look down upon us. So it's extremely important. We have a great history, whether it is our culture, our habits, our history. If you look at the great Manipur kingdom, the Ahom kingdoms, even in Tripura we have such a glorious past. So people have to start thinking differently about us. They have to stop thinking that they are superior to us, and that can only happen if there is a chapter of the Northeast in our NCERT books. But I want to say something even more. How much are the state governments in their own Northeast including a chapter of another state from the Northeast in their school curriculum? I think that is where I think we are ourselves not united. It would be great if the schools in Tripura taught something about the Ahoms, or something about the Meiteis or the Thankuls or Arunachal. So even we in our own states have failed to include a chapter about other states in the Northeast. I think that's where the biggest problem comes. We are not united. And of course, I do think it's a great idea if we have a chapter on the Northeast in the national curriculum. B.S. Barwa committee had said that, but unfortunately we only see committees being made and recommendations being made, but there is no effort on the part of anybody.